Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this particular video, I have written a Python program to find the grade of a student. It means to display the grade of a student when grades are allocated according to the table. And here the input will be the percentage of marks which has been obtained by the student. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, share this video link with your friends and family members, share the video links in various social networks which you are going to use, gain the knowledge and rule the world. Happy learning. I am opening the Python interpreter. In this particular video, I am writing a program to display the grade of a student by accepting the percentage marks of a student. And this is an interpreter. So I'll create a new file by pressing Ctrl N. So new file where we'll be writing a program. So first I will write the comment. So comment here is nothing but just I will write the name of the program along with the condition. So I write that particular thing. So here the program is hash Python program to accept the percentage of student. Python program to accept the percentage of student and display a message of grade as mentioned in below table. That means by considering the conditions. So what is that? I'll write those also in a comment. Above 90% as grade A, then if the student gets 80 to 90, above 90% as A grade and percentage 80 to 90, that means 80% to 90% as B grade. Okay, then again hash 70% to 80%, 70 to 80% as C grade. Then again hash 60% to 70% as D grade. Then again hash below 60% consider as E grade. So above 90% A grade, 80 to 90 B grade, 70 to 80 C, 60 to 70 as D grade and below 60% as E grade. So now I will write the program. All these are the comment. Just in the comment I have written the program name, that is a Python program to accept the percentage of a student and display the message of grade based upon the conditions which has been given in the table. And this is the table which I have written separately in a comment. So according to this we'll write a program. So first I will write per space equal to space int, open the bracket, input, open the bracket, within a single quotes, enter percentage, enter percentage of student, space, single quotes close, bracket close, again close the bracket, press enter. So this particular statement will be displayed, and whatever the percentage entered by the user, that will be stored in PER. Then we need to write if space PER greater than, means greater than symbol 90 colon, press enter. So you can see the indentation space, one tab space is there. So you need to write that the next statement here only. So what do you have to write? Print within a bracket, within a single quotes, grade is. So if it is greater than 90%, what is the grade? A grade. Close the single quotes, close the bracket. So I'll just copy this particular statement. So instead of writing again and again, I'll be using this one. Press enter. You can observe the indentation space there. So next line should not be written here. If you write here, it belongs to the if block. Since it has to come to the next block, we need to write elif. ELIF, that means else if space PER space greater than. So second one. So what is that second one? 80 to 90. That means if percentage is greater than equal to 80 and PER, that is a percentage space less than equal to 90 colon. Don't forget the colon. So if it is 80 to 90, then what is that? B grade. So press enter, then write print grade is B. So I already copied that one, I'll use that one. Print grade is, what is that? B. Then press enter, press the backspace, then again write the condition elif space percentage PER space greater than equal to the next one to get C grade. So what is that condition? It should be 70 to 80. That means what? Here percentage is should be greater than equal to 70 and percentage less than, you write here as 80. Here also above. If it is greater than 90, that means above 90, include that one is greater than equal to 90 as grade A. 80 to 90, that means greater than equal to 80 and less than 90 as grade B. Else if 70 to 80, that means greater than or equal to 70 and less than 80 colon as grade C. So print grade is C. Press enter, take it to the new line. So you come to the new line, press the backspace, again write elif condition PER. So now which one? D grade, that means 60 to 70. That means what? Percentage greater than equal to 60 and PER space less than 70, less than 70 colon, press enter. So print grade is D. Press enter. Else, last condition, that is what? If it is less than 60, so that will come under else colon, press enter, print grade is E. If you want, you can give the space over here after the symbol, that is here where we have written PER less than 90. There if you want space, you can give the space. It is not mandatory. Here also same thing, here also if you want you can give it. Where? Here percentage greater than equal to space 80, then similarly here percentage greater than or equal to 70 where I have written. So in that case, as well as where we have written percentage greater than or equal to 60. It is not mandatory to make it an easily visible or to have in neat presentation you can give the space. Then now save the program by pressing Ctrl S, or you can click on file and then in the menu bar, and then you need to select the option called save. So program name, I will give as STDGRADE, student grade. Click on save. Now run the program. To run the program, just press F5 or click on run option in the menu bar and then run module, or you can use just the shortcut key, that is the function key F5. Enter the percentage of a student. For example, now I want to have this one, that is below 60, as E grade. So I'll give the value as 59. Now you can see it will display grade is E. If you want, you can close the interpreter, then again run, press F5. Now if you want the output of this one, 60 to 70, that means what? Greater than 60 and less than 70, grade is D. So now I'll give the value as 60. It will display the value as D. If you want the output, once again press F5 by coming to the script mode. So here I will give 70. 70 in the sense it will come as C grade, right? So to get another one output, click on the script mode and again press F5. So if I give 69, so 60 greater than equal to 60 and less than 70 is D grade. So here it is 69, that means it will be D grade, right? Then again, if you want to run, you can just click on the script mode, click on run module, or just press F5. So now I want to get the output of this one, 70 to 80. That means greater than 70 and less than 80. So if I give 79, it will display as C grade. If you want another one output, click on the script mode, press F5. So if I give 70, then also it will be an C grade, right? If you want another one output, then again same, click on script mode and press F5. So if I give 80, now it will be what? Greater than equal to 80 and less than 90. That means what? It will be B grade. Now to get another one output, again the same thing. So here I will give the value as 90. That means what? Above 90 and as well as equal to 90 will be A grade. So grade is A. So like this we can write a program to display the grade of a student based upon the percentage which has been entered. So above 90%, that means what? We have considered greater than equal to 90, and 80 to 90% as percentage greater than equal to 80 and less than 90. 70 to 80 as percentage greater than 70 and percentage less than 80, and 60 to 70 as percentage greater than equal to 60 and percentage less than 70. Below 60, that we have written at the last as else. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, share this video link with your friends and family members. Share the video links in various social media networks which you are going to use. Gain the knowledge and rule the world. Happy learning.